activity that is related to the soil profile. Yes beta, we are going to do the activity. It is possible practically. So you have to do this activity in your practical file. Activity of the soil profile. First, I would like to take aim to identify the various constituents of the soil. Things required: a glass beaker, soil sample, a glass rod to stir it, and water. Observation: what you will do? After a few hours, it is observed that the soil separates into different layers on the basis of their particle size. Yes beta, when you take the soil sample in the glass beaker and mix the water and stir it with the glass rod, what will happen? After that, you will keep it for few hours to make them settle. What is the conclusion? The soil contains gravel, sand particles, silt, clay and humus that are arranged in layers. It will be arranged in the layer. This will be the conclusion. The difference in the relative proportion of these various constituents leads to the formation of different kind of soil. This all you will write under the conclusion, and this all you have to write in the practical file. Now we are going to start the practically. Yes beta, now practically we are going to start the activity. I have taken a plastic tumbler and the few plants and the soil for the practical. In this, what we are going to start is, you can see the layer of the soil are adjusted according to their particle size, and the vertical section through the soil showing the different layer of the soil is called soil profile. Even you can see the different horizons. First, I like to discuss with the topsoil. The uppermost layer of the soil is called topsoil. You can see the darkest color also. Lot of humus is present in this. It is soft, porous, and it can retain more water. Even some plants are confinedly enter in this layer. You can see the roots of the plants. Second layer, you can see the subsoil, that's called B horizon. The layer of the soil which is just below this topsoil, and it is lighter in color than the topsoil. You can see it is color difference. It is less fertile beta. Even some roots are also coming here. You can see the roots are also coming here in this subsoil. It is harder than this soil. It is compact also. It is soluble with rich minerals and iron oxides. The next layer you can see. Next level you can see substratum. It is a C horizon. The layer of the soil which is just below the subsoil. It is not at all fertile because it is lack of humus. Weathering of bedrock is started from here. You can see the cracks and crevices, and it is not at all fertile beta. The last bedrock is bedrock. Last soil profile, it is a D horizon. It is just below the substratum, and it is solid, non-porous, and a hard layer of weathered rocks. You can see over here beta. Water cannot penetrate through this bedrock. So this is all we have done with this soil profile. Now after this experiment, we'll come to the conclusion. The soil contains gravel, sand particles, silt, clay and humus that are arranged in layers. The differences in the relative proportion of these various constituents lead to the formation of different kind of soil. This is the activity that you can take as a reference while studying soil profile. Thank you. Have a nice day.